Welcome back. In this module, I want to explain to you what BPW offers you on the local, national and international level. How you can benefit from all the activities and events for your personal and professional development. First, I have to say that all our regions and federations and clubs are different. So not everything I'm telling you here will be the same in your country, because not all our federations or clubs are organizing monthly events. Some are working for large conferences or are organizing other activities. What I'm telling you here is based on my experiences here in Europe, especially on Germany and Switzerland, where I am coming from, but I know that many other countries are doing similar things. At the local level, on the club level, many clubs are organizing monthly events with presentations, speakers, and networking opportunities that fit to our goals, which means they are focusing on career development, gender equality, or other issues that are relevant for us. So this is a lifelong learning opportunity for you. As we are organized as clubs, there is normally an annual general assembly, and we encourage our clubs to have a candlelight ceremony every year. This special ceremony was started by Lena Madison Phillips during the Second World War, because it was no longer possible for her to visit her BPW sisters in Europe and around the world. So she started this ceremony where we light one candle for each country where we have BPW clubs and BPW sisters. We light this candle in memory of all the women that are active around the world for gender equality. And on the club level, you sometimes have other activities like task forces for special topics like the Equal Pay Day, or for a special event like the Woman of the Year award that some northern countries have, or other activities. You can also visit other clubs in your region, in your country, or anywhere in the world. And you can participate in national congresses if you have a federation, or in the international conferences, events and congresses that I will explain to you later. Now we would like to hear from you. What is your highlight in your club or federation? What's the most important thing that you would like to share with us? Was it a special event? Was it anything else that inspired you, something that's working very well in your country or club? Please share with us in the comments section below.